Hello scholars, welcome back. As you know, in our previous video, we have started our Unit 5 Science and Technology, and we have already completed few exercises of this unit in that video. Now today we will complete the rest of the exercises. So scholars, today we will start with our exercise 28, prominent scientist. As you can see, here we have to match these prominent scientists with their achievements. So I want you all to do this exercise yourself. You have to find out the achievements of these scientists. Okay, as you know, first you will try it yourself, then you can check your answer from the PDF given in the link below. Okay, now we will start with our exercise 29. So let's start with our exercise 29, our Earth. So here, as you can see, we have to answer these following questions in the blank given. We can pick our answer from the help box. So let's start with our question number 1. What are the chunks of rock that come from the space called? As you can see in the picture given here, yes, it is meteorite. So please write this answer here. Now let's see question number 2. Which living things were the first to appear on Earth? Do you know this? Yes, you are right. It is bacteria. So please write the answer here. Now let's see question number 3. According to scientists, initially Earth was not divided into 7 continents. Only a single supercontinent existed. What was this supercontinent called? Do you know what that supercontinent called? It is given here also in this picture. It is Pangaea. Please write the answer there. And you know scholars, Pangaea, which was surrounded by a single ocean called Panthalassa. So, in the starting on the earth, there was only one continent named Pangaea, and it was surrounded by only one ocean, that is Panthalassa. It is a good information, so please keep it in your mind. Now let's move to question number 4. Which two continents crashed together to form the Alps mountain ranges? Yes, you're right. It's Europe and Africa. Please write the answer here. Now let's see question number 5. How thick is the Earth's mantle? Do you know this? Yes, you are absolutely right. It is about 3000 kilometers. Please write the answer. Now let's see question number 6. Which is the highest mountain peak in North America? The answer is Mount Denali. Okay, now let's move to question number 7. Which continent has no mountain over 16,400 feet or 5,000 meters tall? The answer is Australia. Now let's see question number 8. Which is the tallest volcano in Japan? Yes, I guess you know this answer. Yes, you are absolutely right. It is Mount Fuji. Now let's see question number 9. Tsunamis are set off by which activity in the oceans? Yes, you are right. It is earthquakes. Okay, now let's see our last question. Which is the world's longest river? Yes, I know. You know this answer. It is River Nile. It is the longest river in the world. Now this exercise is completed. we will move towards our next exercise. So here is our exercise number 30, space explorations. Space exploration is all about getting to know the space and its secrets and how it can benefit mankind. So here we will learn about space and the various terms related to the space. Okay, so let's start with our questions. We have to read the clues and write the terms related to the space and space explorations in the blanks, as I told you. So let's begin with question number 1. System or technique for detecting the position, motion and nature of a remote object by means of radio waves reflected from its surface. So as you can see, it is shown in the picture here. It is radar. Okay, so write the answer here. Okay, let's see our question number 2. The obscuring of one celestial body by the passage of another in front of it. You must be aware of the terms solar eclipse, moon eclipse, isn't it? In Hindi we call it Surya Grahan, Chandra Grahan. Like when moon comes in between earth and the sun, it is called solar eclipse. Okay, so here the answer is eclipse. Write it. Okay, now let's move to our question number 3. An object whose gravity is so strong that the velocity needed to escape it exceeds the speed of light. Do you know this answer? The answer is black hole. Please write the answer here. Now let's move to our question number 4. A very large system of stars, gas and dust isolated from its neighbors by an immensity of space and island universe. What is it called? Yes, you are right. The answer is galaxy. Write it here. Now let's move to our question number 5. The line marking the apparent junction of earth and sky. It is a very easy question. Means, as you can see in the picture given here, we know that earth and the sky never meets, but there is a line, a place where we feel that there the earth and the sky is meeting. Okay, so that is called horizon. It is written here. Please write the answer there. Now let's see question number 6. The galaxy which includes the sun and the earth. Which galaxy is this? Yes, you are absolutely right. It is our Milky Way galaxy. Please write the answer here. Okay, now we'll see our question number 7. An imaginary circle that divides the earth into two equal halves, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Yes, I know, you know this answer. It is equator. Now we'll see our last question of this exercise, the science and technology of space flight. What is it called? Yes, you are absolutely right. It is called astronautics. The science and technology of space flight is called astronautics. So like this we have completed exercise 30 also. Now we'll move to our last exercise of this unit, that is exercise 31. So here is our exercise number 31, Fathers of Technology. Here we have to read the clues, identify these pioneers of the IT world and write their names in the blanks using the words given in the help box. Okay, so let's start with our question number 1. He is popularly known as the father of cell phone for conceiving and designing the first handheld mobile phone of the world. As you can see, he is holding a phone in his hand. So he is the father of cell phone. He is Martin Cooper. He is Martin Cooper. Please write his name here. Now we'll see our question number 2. He invented the World Wide Web in 1989. For this, he was honored in the opening ceremony of the London Olympics 2012. Yes, you are right. He is Sir Tim Berners-Lee. You can write the name here. Yes. Now let's move to question number 3. The first computer mouse of the world was made by him in 1964. He made this mouse using wood. He was Douglas Engelbart. Write this name here. Now after this, let's move to question number 4. World's largest microblogging site, Twitter, was founded by him, along with 3 others, namely Evan Williams, Neil Glass, and Biz Stone. Who is he? He is Jack Dorsey. Now let's see question number 5. He was the co-founder of the Apple Inc. He is popularly known as the father of the digital revolution. Yes, you are right. He is Steve Jobs. Write his name here. Now, let's move to our question number 6. He founded the world's largest software company, the Microsoft Corp, along with Bill Gates. Do you know him? He is Paul Allen. Please write the name here. Now scholars, with this we have completed our Unit 5. I want all of you to complete all these exercises in your book. Now we will meet in our next video with a new unit. Till then, take care all of you. Goodbye scholars.